Okay, let's take a look at questions number 1 through 6. So find the standard form of the equation of the circle with the given information. Now, as soon as we know the center is at the origin, we know our equation is going to be x squared plus y squared equals whatever the radius squared is. So if the diameter is 10, then we know that the radius is 5. So on the right side of the equation would go 5 squared or 25. As soon as the center is away from the origin, we know it has to be x minus -2 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals 3 radical 3 squared, or the radius squared. And we'll go ahead and leave the left side the same. On the right side, to square something means to multiply 3 times the square root of 3 by 3 times the square root of 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Root 3 times root 3 is regular 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Number 3, center at the origin. So we know therefore it's going to be x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And we know a point on the circle. Now again, so that means we're given an x and a y value. So we're going to use that to find the radius. So -3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, which is 25. That's r squared. So r, which we don't even need to find r. All I need is r squared. And so we have the equation x squared plus y squared equals 25. Number 4, center at -2, -4 means we have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals, and we don't have the radius again. So we're going to plug 1 in for x, -5 in for y. One plus 2 is 3, squared is 9. -5 plus 4 is -1, squared is 1. And so r squared is 10. So I have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 10. Five, center at 5, 3. So x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals r squared. And an x-intercept of 1 means it contains the point 1, 0. So I'm going to put 1 in for x and 0 in for y. 1 minus 5 is -4, squared is 16. 0 minus 3 is -3, squared is 9. 16 and 9 is 25. So r squared is 25. So x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25. And we do the same thing for number 6, except this is a y-intercept, so that means it contains the point 0, -2, so x is 0. I'm going to go ahead and write our equation as it would be, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 9 squared equals r squared. Let's plug in 0 for x, -2 in for y. 0 minus 2 is -2, squared is 4. -2 minus 9 is -11. Squared is 121. 4 plus 121 is 125. And I'm going to actually go back here for a second. This was minus -9. So that should have been a plus 9 there and a plus 9 there. -2 plus 9 is 7. Squared is 49. 49 and 4 make 53. That's r squared. So we have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 9 squared equals 53. All right, so that ends this first video. We'll continue on with the next one in the next video.